Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this hair. This is a wig by Bobbi Boss, and if you guys want to know more about it, the process, how I applied it, how I did the baby hairs, and etc., please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so first things first, when I got this hair, it came in this box. And I think it came in about a week, if I can recall. But the hair is Bobbi Boss, and it's a glueless lace wig, and it's a 360 lace perimeter. So it had lace all around the perimeter, and I cut it off in the back and then also in the front. It has a 13x4 parting deep lace, hand-tied deep lace it says, and then pre-plucked natural hairline. Yes, it has a real natural hairline, and it's secure, adjustable, easy, elastic band. So it does come with a band in the middle of it, so you can adjust it to your head size, but it does fit kind of snug to my head. And I think I have like a 22-inch head because I have one of those canvas heads that's 22 inches. So it fits pretty good. I didn't have to really adjust it. I just took it out the box and popped it on my head. Yeah, I applied this wig only using Got2b glue. I didn't put a cap or anything underneath it. I honestly forgot, and most of the times I don't put a cap underneath my wigs. I just apply them and then I put makeup to make it look realistic. But yeah, the way that this wig came, it was so long. I'm going to show you guys a picture of how it came in when I tried it on. I look like Rapunzel. That's how long it was. And I don't like, personally, I like long hair, but if it's synthetic and it looks really like, you know, it has that the shiny look to it, it looks really fake. So I didn't want to keep it long. It went all the way down to my butt or past my butt. So when I tried it on, I'm like, okay, I need to cut this hair. So I cut it first and it was right here. And then I cut it again, and it was, and I cut it, so I cut it a little short. So this is probably about 12 inches. When I cut it the first time, it probably was about 14, 16 inches. So I cut it, I didn't pluck it or anything. All I did was I took a hot comb and I just pretty much just, you know, combed it back, got it a little slick a little bit because it already came slick. The hairline was already on point. And I have pictures to show you guys as well of how it looked when I first like cut it and how the hairline looked just straight out the box, and even after I put the hot comb to it. So it looked really good. But then I started to apply it, and then I realized like, wow, maybe I could have cut it when it was off of my head. But I technically never really cut it off of my head because I like to see how it lays, and then like I cut it when it's on my head. So I ended up applying it. I'm going to actually show you guys right now how I applied it and what happened when I applied it. Okay, as always, you start with alcohol. You want to start with a clean face. I did that before I started messing with the wig. I also apply the makeup beforehand, even though I'm going to apply it at the end. So I do this. I play with the wig, try it on my head just to see how it's going to fit and how it's going to look and how I'm going to part it as well. So yeah, I'll do this all through the video. Through this section, you'll see me going on and off, applying the wig, parting it, trying to get the right fit before I apply it to my head. And in one part, you will see that I put it down, like right now, you can see that it's down a little bit too low. So I did have to go off camera and take off the wig and then apply it again so that it can be the right fit. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the video so you can see how I got to the end part and kind of like just the process and how it went and how I determined how I wanted the hair to look. So I'm going to let you guys view the rest. sharing how I applied it and how it came out. And to be honest, I was struggling with this hair. Like, I was struggling partly because the hairline like didn't look, when I cut it, didn't look how I thought it was gonna look. And then on top of that, I had my kids, and then the baby was crying. Then my other daughter was like, you know, she was running around, and you know, when I put it on my head too, the first time it was like all the way down here, and I'm like, oh my God, I have to take this off and like put it right. So it looked so crazy at first, and then like the hair was shedding everywhere. So I was getting frustrated. So I went on and off the camera, like, you know, trying to debate like if I was gonna actually record me, like, you know, doing the wig because it was looking crazy. Y'all, when I actually applied it, it looked kind of boxy, I'm not gonna lie. And I was like, dang, like I didn't want to put baby hairs. I never put baby hairs. So then I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna put some baby hairs. So I put baby hair. This is actually my first time doing baby hairs, and I think I did pretty good with the baby hairs, and it looks really good. So I still use the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I put that on there. As you can see, it made it blend really well. And so I'm sorry about that, my daughter's talking. But yeah, it looks so good. So I was so happy the way it came out, and I'm proud of myself because it looks really, really good. And this again is a synthetic wig, and so I was able to slay it. So I think I did good, y'all. So I need y'all to comment below, subscribe, tell me what y'all think, because I'm ready to get some more of these wigs and do some more reviews. So I do have one more of these wigs that I'm going to review for you guys, but to just give you more details, this style is Camille. It's in the #1. I'm going to link everything down below, such as the products I use and everything, and also the wig and the website to where you can order it. I'm not sponsored, but I would love to be sponsored because these wigs, you know, they're really bomb, and they're cheap, and it's affordable, and it's not really even hard to do. Like, I'm so proud of myself with these baby hairs because I started to get sad for a second. Like, I can't even do a video because it looks crazy. But, you know, the baby hair, I think it looks really natural. And I would recommend this hair. The only thing I would say is a big con is that it sheds a lot. And I know it shedded too because I cut it, so it's probably shedding even more. And my boyfriend does not like hair anywhere. So I was literally, y'all, scrubbing everywhere, the floors, every second, trying to make sure I got all the hair up. And so my man gonna be kind of mad because it's gonna be shedding everywhere, but I really like this hair. So I'm probably gonna keep it in for a week, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it held up. But thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta go. These kids calling my name. So yeah, please subscribe. Please like the video. I'm gonna be featuring more hair tutorials and also reviews. So thank you. Bye-bye.